Hello everyone, welcome to the continuation of our previous project which is the business card. So bring this here, then highlight all our about, then bring them here. Now, so you can watch my values here, okay? Just so you have everything right. Let's zoom in and then see what we are doing. Bring you here. I'm going to tilt it. Let's see this angle. So there's a rotation for this. So I'm going to copy this rotation. I'll make sure, oops, sorry, undo. Make sure all of these ones have the same rotation. Paste. Okay. Okay. So what you have to do is to use the values that I have here because I have to do a lot of try and error just so I try to position this very well. For now, we'll stick to these values for these ones. Then I'm just going to separate them one by one. I think it's one last one. Just this. Right. Okay. Okay. So with a give, we can decide to leave it the way it is. Okay. And decide to leave it this way, or better still just put it inside this UI, which is the rectangle thing. Okay, so I'm going to enlarge this to the size just so this can fit in. So let's bring it front in front. I'll give it up a bit. Let's see what we have here. So bring it here. Then still with our rectangle, let me enlarge it a bit. It's not rotate. Not rotate. I'll give bring our give here. Select the give, then bring it here. Okay, so let's bring it out a bit or rotate it. Okay, this is quite okay, and then I'll bring it in front a bit. Okay, so this is quite okay, but there's some spacing. There's not enough space below it, so I'm going to enlarge this and then bring this up. This doesn't look interesting, but we'll leave it this way. Okay, we could have rather done a much longer or taller, like increase the, so I say the height instead. Yeah. So this is what we have. And then the next lesson we'll learn to just toggle the visibility and the lights.